Good evening. I'm going to expose my work on my alter ego persona. My name is Miguel Angel. I am 31 years old. I am graphic designer and study software engineering. His name is Steve Rogers. In comics, Steve Rogers, besides being a soldier, he is also an illustrator. Achievements. My greatest achievement has been being a dad, getting home and making my brave princess happy. He fought the Nazis in World War II and has saved the world many times. Trips. I have traveled to different places in Colombia, but the best trip has been the first trip with my daughter, who went to Villeta. Has traveled all over the world, even to other planets and dimensions. Memorable experience. My most memorable experience was when my daughter was born. That day was the most beautiful of my life. The most memorable moment was when he saved the Earth with the Avengers. Things you have. I have enjoyed my life to the fullest. Today I enjoyed being a father. I have not traveled abroad. He has not danced with Peggy. Things you could do in the future. I could meet someday with my friends like in the old days and go play football. He could travel to the past to dance with Peggy and have a happy and a quiet life. That's it. Thank you very much for attention.